Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. I have another unboxing for you that is airsoft related. As you can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and just do a very quick unboxing video so you guys can at least see what I got going on here. I'm super excited. Let's get to it. Alrighty, got my knife, and now we're going to get cracking into this bad boy. With all the Christmas holidays and New Year holidays, this definitely took its time getting here, and I actually got the delivery yesterday, so I've been waiting just a little bit longer before I opened it. I gotta sharpen this blade, it's a little dull. Alright. Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? Oh. Bam. Look at that right there. Cybergun WeTech Desert Eagle. Now, for this one, you're going to see why it's a little bit different than your standard Desert Eagle, so I'm very excited to show you that in just a moment. I'm blown away with how heavy that is. That is so much heavier than my KWC. The rest of this is just empty box, so we'll get that tossed to the side. Alright, so right out of the box, this thing is freaking huge. It is very heavy, and so far I'm loving what I'm seeing and just the weight of this thing. So here's kind of a closer view at what you're seeing at the bottom of the box. Overall box itself is very nice. You have the Cybergun logo on the top. You have more markings on the bottom, and of course continued markings on the left and right sides. As far as the back goes, lots of attention and warnings. As typical per any airsoft gun. So now we'll take a look inside and see what's going on. So I'm gonna kind of have this showcase as best as I can so you guys can see. So we have the typical instruction manual as standard with any airsoft gun that you get. More information inside, but not really relevant at the moment. Ooh, alright, now this is what I've been waiting for. First we have the magazine, which is individually packaged, again by WeTech, as you can tell. I'm very eager to do a lot of tests with KWC's Desert Eagle and compatibility with magazines, so we'll get a chance to see how that's going to be looking like. Now the main thing. So I like this, considering they put extra protection on here to ensure that there isn't any issues or anything getting scratched, and you'll see why, because I got the Chrome edition, baby. Chrome, fully Chrome Desert Eagle. And again, you can see that it comes in, ooh, looks like a speed loader just fell out as well. And it comes in full plastic wrapping to, again, protect this very nice finish. I mean, even in the bag, you can kind of see exactly what the finish is all about. So I'll get this thing taken out and we'll get a better view at it. But it is way heavier than the KWC by a lot, let me tell you. And there is no mag in here, and it is freaking heavy. Wow, very cool. Alrighty, let's get a different view of this thing in just a second here. So here we have it up close, and my goodness, it is just amazing. This thing is, first of all, so heavy. And it feels so much more realistic than the KWC's version. It's incredible. So as you can see, I took the orange tip off. I took all the stickers off to really reflect on the beauty of this thing. And, I mean, just wow. I even have like a microfiber cloth for it just to keep it from smudging too much. And incredible. But yeah, guys, that's my really brief review, or not review so much, but an unboxing. The review video, more in depth, is definitely coming soon for this beast. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Definitely feel free to let me know if you have questions. There's going to be plenty of questions asked, I'm sure, when the review comes about. So I'm going to get to it and start playing around with this thing and go from there. Thanks so much for watching, guys.